So the topic of my previous video, the Gunpla fan from Bandai, was unfortunately an April Fool's. Bandai have not sent me anything, though it's never too late. However, what isn't an April Fool's is this. This is a free box of goodies from Gunpla UK. So, how did I get this free gift? So Gunpla UK saw my previous video on Instagram and they slipped into my DMs and basically invited me to choose anything from their website and they would send it to me free of charge. Now, of course, it is important to note that I am not sponsored by Gunpla UK, nor am I one of their affiliated partners. They just wanted to do something nice for someone within the community. So what did I choose? Well, obviously the first thing on my list was a perfect grade, but I thought, no, I cannot be that cheeky. So I just went for a high grade. However, they sent me more than one. So let's open this box up and see what I got. And as you can see, we have some amazing goodies. I've chucked the invoice on the floor so as not to see it. The first thing that we will pick out of here, this is the high grade Revive Hyaku Shiki. This was actually the kit that I asked them to send to me. The reason for that is that I tried getting this very recently from Gundam Mad. However, they was out of stock and my order got cancelled. So I was on the lookout for this kit and Gundam UK happened to have it in stock. So what better way to get it than get a freebie? So they was very, very kindly willing to send this to me, but it didn't stop there. What they also sent to me was this amazing bad boy here, the Delta Gundam. So I don't know much about this. I believe this is something to do with the Hyaku Shiki in a mobile suit variant, and look at that amazing finish. I think I'm definitely seeing a theme here that they are sending me some really cool gold kits. Really looking forward to building that guy up, as well as this guy. So this is the Gundam 00 Diver Ace gold coating version. This was a Gundam info campaign limited item, won through a lottery, much like my glow in the dark Gunpla. If you haven't seen that video, go back and have a look at it. Now, I must say, I already do own this kit. However, my plan for that kit was to keep it in its box because it was such a special kit. But I now have two, and that means that I can finally build one. So thanks you to Gunpla UK for sending this across to me. I'm very much looking forward to building this kit. As you can see, everything is gold plated, even down to the inner frame. I'm really looking forward to building this. Now, I think what I need to do in preparation is get myself some decent nippers, because I think that my display nippers are starting to get slightly blunt. They are a few years old and have built hundreds of kits, so I think I need to get myself something special in preparation, but I'm definitely looking forward to building this one up. And there we have it, 3 amazing gold kits sent over to me for free by Gunpla UK. I'll put all their details on the screen now so that you can visit them yourself. You can either do so online or in person. I've only ever visited online because unfortunately I'm too far away to visit in person, but I dare say that if I ever find myself up that end of the country, that will definitely pop into their shop and have a look around and see what gems I can find. But with that being said, these guys are going into the backlog for now. I need some tools to build these gold coated ones to the best of my ability. The Hyaku Shiki is injection gold, so that will come out first and be built. Really looking forward to finally getting a Hyaku Shiki on the shelf. But with that being said, pop over to Gunpla UK for all of your Gunpla needs, and then also pop across to my link tree. Visit me on all the social medias, like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye for now.